When it comes to faceless YouTube channels, is it possible to let AI do most of the work for you? In this video, I will show you how you can easily make 20 motivational videos a day with a combined power of ChatGPT, CapCut, and Pictory. So you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and make serious money. Let's dive right in. Now listen up. Forget about those videos that tell you to copy and paste a single speech and slap some stock footage on it. That's a one-way ticket to copyright chaos and demonetization despair. You need to add your own special sauce to the mix. You're trying to create something unique and less likely to land you in legal trouble, so how hard can this be? Well, I'm going to show you now. Here's what you need to do. Search for 4 to 5 speeches that you like. Make sure to choose one speech that radiates a feeling of calmness. This little gem will be the star of your intro and outro. As for the other speeches, go for the powerful ones. The kind where people yell their lungs out because apparently that's motivational bonus points. If you can find speeches without any pre-existing music. But let's be real. Most of them have some sort of motivational tune attached. Not to worry, I've got a brilliant solution that I'll reveal shortly. Once you've found your chosen speeches, head on over to ChatGPT and fill in a prompt, then go to the YouTube video of the speech you selected. Click on those 3 dots and look for the option that says Show Transcript. Now copy the transcript, return to ChatGPT and paste the transcript, and voila! ChatGPT will bless you with all the glorious highlights of the video, complete with their timestamps. Winners win and losers lose. Very inspiring. Repeat this process for all the speeches you've selected. All right, I picked a speech that comes with its own background music, but fear not. Here is your solution. You're going to download the MP3 file of that video. How you do it is entirely up to you. Maybe you've got connections. It's your secret, I won't judge. Next, you'll want to go to Vocally. See, this is an AI program that can separate vocals from music just as fast as my ex decided to separate from me. Upload your file and behold the isolated vocals for your video. Of course, you need to gather up all the vocals from the speeches for your video. The next step is to visit CapCut.com, an excellent free video editor equipped with some incredible automated features you'll need later in the video. If you don't have an account sign up, or if you already have one click on sign in, once you're in, create a blank canvas to start your new video. Now it's time to import the speeches and place them in the designated section below. Head back to ChatGPT to check the timestamps for each speech. Look at the starting timestamp and select the corresponding speech. Adjust the timing bar to the right position. Click the split button on the left. Then press play to listen to the speech and determine where it should end. Pause the video and once again click on the split button. Repeat this process for each speech. Drag the timing bar to the appropriate place. Click the split button. Listen to the speech to determine the ending point and click the split button again. Keep going back to ChatGPT and repeating these steps until you've done this for all your speeches, so it will look good. The next task is to find a suitable soundtrack. You can do this online by simply searching for copyright-free music for YouTube, because stealing music is frowned upon, just like asking a magician for their secrets, or like asking me how I'm making all these amazing videos. I recommend looking for something cinematic like movie trailer style music. Once you've found the perfect track, import it into CapCut and drag it to the bottom of your project. Now brace yourself because we're about to dive into the most important part. Allow me to shed some light on how music works. A song has different sections like the intro, middle part, and outro. Look for a song with a calm intro and outro by observing the wavelengths. You can see that. It should start relatively calm. It serves as the build-up leading to the first powerful section. Then it should transition back to calmness gradually, building up to another powerful section, and so on. It's like riding a roller coaster with the build-up resembling the ascent and the more exciting parts, representing the twists, turns, and loops to match the speeches with the music. Use a calm speech for the calm parts. This is where having a relatively calm speech becomes crucial. When you reach the powerful parts of the music, use powerful speeches, preferably with someone screaming their lungs out. It's like creating your very own motivational mixtape. Who needs a therapist when you can have motivational speeches and catchy tunes on repeat, am I right? Well, not me. Now let's talk about the most important elements. The speech and the music, they form the backbone of the video's emotional impact. If you nail this combination, the choice of footage becomes less critical. Listen to the speech fragments and place them under the music as you see fit. Next, I'll reveal a special trick to make your speeches sound even better and more dramatic. Mute all other sounds except the speeches you compiled. Click on Export in the top right corner, then select Export Audio. Hit Export and import this file back into CapCut. Remove all the speeches, leaving only the music. Place the file you just exported under your music track. Now select the speech, go to Audio and choose Voice Effects. Look for the echo effect. Set the quantity and strength to 10 and brace yourself for the awesomeness. All right, now it's time to head over to Flixeer.com. This website will help you transcribe your combined speeches into text, which you'll need for the next step. Simply upload the MP3 file of your speech, hit the Generate button, and when it's finished, select the option for text with no timestamps and click on Download. Now you'll have the entire speech written out. Next up, let's visit Pictory. It is an incredible tool for video creation, offering a wide range of options, including an AI-powered script-to-video feature that automatically creates videos from your text inputs within minutes. This is the feature we will be focusing on in this video. Click on Proceed to get started. Here you'll need to copy and paste the transcribed speech into Pictory. This feature generates videos based on a script. However, remember that we don't want videos solely based on the speech itself. As we discussed earlier, our main goal is to incorporate footage of people working out or playing sports, along with close-ups of their faces. So here's what you need to do. Divide the sentences into smaller pieces. The more divisions you make, the more footage you'll get. After each sentence, add a keyword that represents the kind of footage you'd like. For example, for the intro, you might use the keyword freedom. This way, I hope to capture a footage resembling the feeling of freedom, like someone walking through nature. Type it in, select the word, and click on Highlight this. Let Pictory know that it should focus on finding footage related to that keyword. Repeat this process for the next scene using the same keyword or adding new ones. Since close-ups of faces are commonly used, you could use eyes as a keyword. Again, select it and press Highlight. Continue dividing the script into smaller pieces and assign relevant keywords. Once you're done, click on Proceed in the top right corner. Here you can choose from different templates, but since we won't be using the text, it doesn't really matter which one you select. Choose the desired aspect ratio and click on Continue. The AI technology is now generating a video based on our script and keywords, and voila, we now have a complete video. However, you want to ensure that every scene meets your expectations. Sometimes Pictory may have chosen footage that doesn't quite align with what we desired. We need our video to be slightly over 4 minutes. Here's a fantastic feature you want to utilize in Pictory. Navigate to a voiceover and select Upload Voiceover. Upload the speech you made in CapCut and hit Auto Sync. This feature automatically synchronizes all the footage to the voiceover. So when you get to the powerful parts of the speech where people mostly talk faster, the amount of footage will increase. However, when you get to the intro, where you use the calm speech, the amount of footage is less. Now you're ready to download the video, but hold on. We're not quite done yet. Before finalizing the video, head back to CapCut and import it. Remove the branding if necessary. Now go to the filters in the top toolbar, search for a black and white filter and apply it to the video. Then navigate to the text section and select Auto Captions. Choose your desired language and click Create. This will generate text based on the audio. Place the text in the middle of the screen and make it slightly larger. We're done now. Hit that export button and behold your amazing motivational video. You might have noticed there is a watermark on the video from Pictory. If you are really serious about making money with this method, you should consider looking into the paid subscription plans. I would suggest the premium subscription for its voiceover synchronization feature. You also have the option to choose between creating up to 60 videos of 20 minutes each, or going up to 220 videos with a maximum duration of 5 minutes per month, instead of the 30 videos offered with the standard subscription.